I'm going to show you how to change region in DuckDuckGo. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open the app, and once you're in the app, just look at the lower bar where you can see multiple options. And right next to tab, you can see the option of 3-dot button. Make sure you tap there. And now you have options like share, copy, and print. So we need the option of settings, so it is right at the bottom. Just go ahead and tap here, and now make sure you tap on private search now, and once you're there, through here you can customize your region. Just look at the lower option where you can see more search settings. Just go ahead and tap here, and you would be led to the website of DuckDuckGo. And now you can change region by tapping on all regions options over here, and just select the region that you want. So let's say you want Korea, and now you have successfully changed your region to Korea. You can also do that, so you can do it a number of times that you want. It's completely your choice. So this is how you change region in DuckDuckGo.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.